Hi guys, what's up? So I finally downloaded the Coin98 wallet and I find it super exciting, to be honest guys, and that is why I'm sharing this video with you to show you the exciting features, which is why I'm going to be switching to this awesome wallet right here. Now, once you download the Coin98 wallet, you're going to find links in the description. Any links that are necessary, you're going to find in the description in this video. Once you download the Coin98 wallet, you're going to need your email and password to set up an account on Coin98. Then you go ahead to create a wallet for a multi-coin wallet or any kind of wallet you want specifically. But I'd rather you go for a multi-coin wallet because it serves all purpose as well. So you can simply create a new wallet or import a previous wallet you had using your private keys or seed phrase, right? How the same way you do it on the other decentralized wallets, non-custodial wallets, basically. So once you've created your wallet, you will land on this interface, this exciting interface. I must commend the UI of this wallet, by the way. Very exciting UI. So here you see features like the markets, the swap, browser, and the settings at the bottom of this wallet. So you can see here at the top, you can see my name right here at the view alpha. You could customize a display name, and with the I button here, you could either hide or reveal your wallet balance, right? And you can see the manage, the send, the receive, and the history. So you could manage your wallet right here. You see the add wallet, manage your wallet, wallet connect, contact, um, hidden tokens, custom tokens, asset statistics. If I click on the asset statistics right here, you can see this interesting feature right here that allows me to watch my wallet or any of my holdings. You see the percentage right there on the big circle in front of you right here. So if you go on the send, you can easily send any token you want right here. Okay, so basically the same way other tokens, other wallets work. And if I go on the receive box, I can simply receive any token that I want. So you could see the token ticket and the Ethereum, the blockchain that it is on right here. You could also search token using the search button at the top right that you could see to identify the particular token you want to receive here. So if you go to the history, this is where you find the transaction history. If you have made any transactions on this wallet right here. The multi-coin wallet has this as the default um, wallets that you will find on your Coin98 wallet. Now, if I go to the market session at the bottom of my screen here, I'm just going to find this interface here where you could see exciting features here, the market cap, 24 hours volume, the Bitcoin dominance. If I click on the Bitcoin dominance, you're going to see this in full right here. If I click on any of those features right here, you can see uh, the market statistics, the market matrix exactly here. If I tap on BTC, it zooms out the particular one that belongs to BTC, and you can see that it has a 44.53 dominance at this point, while Ethereum has a 16.6 dominance, while other cryptocurrencies have about 38.8 dominance right here. If you scroll down, you're going to see other metrics, other market metrics that are valuable to your decision making right here. Now, if you look closely, you see there are three buttons at the top of the screen beside market, right? Towards the right, you're going to see three buttons. And the first one here, it looks like a C, you can use it to look at the crypto rankings, right? Just like you see in CoinMarketCap. These are the crypto rankings. You can use them here. You can switch from where you have, you could either star any cryptocurrency right here by clicking on the star button beside the particular cryptocurrency. Remember, there's a search button right here, so you could easily search any cryptocurrency you want. At the top right, there's a search button right there. And if you switch from USD to BTC, you could view the prices per BTC. You could view the price in BTC and switch it back to USD if you want. And you can look at this rank here. If you click on the rank, you could rank the cryptocurrencies by percentage, by market cap, by 24 hours volume, circulating supply, top 100 to 200 price, and by name. So anywhere you want to customize this, you're free to do so. Then the button in the middle, there's a button in the middle right here that is very exciting. I find here the market metrics as well, the market information, the crypto events, BTC at Tomo, the block scan. Okay, the block scanner. So you can find a block explorer for different blockchains right here, like BTC, Ethereum, Tomo Chain, and the likes. You can see your margin volume right here. If I click on the margin volume, you can see this is exciting here. It shows you different time frames and whether it's a strong sell or strong buy or neutral. So these are really exciting metrics that you can use to improve your decisions. If I look at the crypto events, this one is very exciting for fundamental analysis. You could use this here to check out the events that are upcoming and make your trading decisions based on them. So, guys, you see how important this is, specifically on the Coin98 wallet. So, if you go to the third button right here at the top right, so you would see that you could easily customize your widget. You could configure your widget to show whatever you want it to show. Right here is still on default, so you could activate. You could toggle the button to activate any metric that you want to see at this point. Now, again, I could simply go to the swap, which is the second button at the bottom right here. If I go to the swap here, the second button, I see some exciting things here, guys. Very exciting. You could swap using any different blockchains right here. Now, look at this button at the top of my screen towards the left beside my display name and my wallet address, the Coin98 button right here. You could use it to switch between exchanges. The Coin98 exchange is built on the Solana blockchain, which is the one I currently selected and I'm on right now. So this is it's on the Solana blockchain. So you could you could swap SOL based tokens right here using this one. So I could easily switch this to Uniswap or to PancakeSwap or the QuickSwap that is built on Polygon or the Pagolin that is built on the Avalanche C chain. So if I, for example, switch this to PancakeSwap V2, you can see right here now I have BNB here at the top, and you can swap it to BUSD, and I can easily change the tokens for whatever I want to swap right here. If I click on that and go to cross-chain bridge, the first one that you can see here, dude, guys, this is very exciting. If I tap on the cross-chain bridge, so you can see that I could swap any token from any blockchain to another blockchain. Right here, I have both of them on the Avalanche C chain and the X chain right here. So I'm just going to tap on the first one, which brings out this button. So you could see here, I could switch from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain to Solana to anything, Avalanche, okay? And so you can see the Polygon, I can switch to anything that I literally want to switch to at this point. So let's say I want to switch from, I want to swap from the Ethereum blockchain. So I'm just going to click on it and tap on my address there. And then the second one right here, I'll tap on it again, and I want to swap from the Ethereum blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain. I tap on my address again after selecting the Smart Chain ticker. So here I can move any coin from the Ethereum ERC20 to BEP20. All right, so I can swap this right here and just click on the convert button to proceed if I have my tokens right here. So that's how easy it is to use the cross-chain bridge on the Coin98 wallet. Okay, so remember, it's easy to swap on any blockchain that you want right here. So that's, by the way, you're going to look at for other features on this wallet. Now, if I go to the browser where you have the DApp, this is the DApp store right here. You can see some exciting DApp stores right here on Coin98. Now, I'm also going to search for, let's say we want to search for QuickSwap. So you can see some already here. The exchanges are PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Kaiba, Sushi. Now, if I want to search manually, let's say I want to go and find, okay, let's actually use Paraswap for example, and search Paraswap on Google. We find Paraswap. We can actually use Paraswap on the different blockchains that it is compatible with. Right here is on the Binance Smart Chain. You see BNB to USDC. Now you can see the Binance ticker right here at the top left of my screen. I can tap on this Binance ticker and change it, switch the network to either Ethereum or Polygon. If I switch this to Ethereum to the Polygon network, you see that the Polygon symbol has appeared right here. So I can swap Matic to any other Polygon based token right here by just clicking on it and searching. So I could easily connect my wallet, all right, and proceed with this transaction. So I could also switch to the Ethereum, the Paraswap and Ethereum, and proceed with this transaction. It's really easy to do, guys. It's pretty easy to do. Now, let's say I want to, for example, use a quick swap. So I'm just going to Google it on DApp and open quick swap right here. quickswap.exchange. Always ensure that you are on the correct URL. So if I am on quickswap exchange right here, let's see the network it shows right here. So I'm gonna have to connect my wallet. So you could see here that I am on the Ethereum blockchain. If you look at the bottom, if I click on connect wallet right here, it's just gonna show this. I'm not able to connect this. But if I look at the bottom, QuickSwap is on Polygon, just in case you do not know. And there you can see the Ethereum symbol at the bottom of my of a wallet right here, where you have the BitFuel Alpha, that my display name, the Ethereum symbol beside it. I'll just tap on that, and I'll be able to look out for the Polygon symbol right here. So I guess that's this one. So I'm just going to select the Polygon symbol here and tap on my wallet again. All right. Once I tap on my wallet, I would be able to switch to the Polygon network. So you can see it's not showing connect wallet anymore. So I could easily swap on QuickSwap right here. Things have connected. So I can, if I'm using any exchange that is on another blockchain, you understand that it is very easy by just tapping this bottom where I have my wallet at the bottom and switching the network to the corresponding blockchain, and then easily do my swap right there. So guys, this is basically how this interesting Coin98 wallet is. If you keep exploring the features, you're going to find out different things on the settings. You can change your currency, the appearance, and the language here, and the wallet manager. You could just explore this wallet and see the exciting features. But I've been able to show you guys the most important features right here that made me attracted to this wallet. Now, by the way, if you sign up on this Coin98, if you download the Coin98 wallet, please you would find my code right here in the description button as well. Right here, as you can see, please use it, enter it where you have the referral program. Once you click on the referral program, it asks you who introduced you. So just paste that referral code that you will find in the description box right here and click on submit. So guys, this is it. Let me know, are you going to switch to this wallet just like I'm doing? Do you find it exciting with the features that I've been able to show you right here? Are you going to use the Coin98 wallet? Let me know in the comment section, guys. See you in the next video. And remember to subscribe to this channel. If you are just watching our video for the first time, hit like on this video so a lot of people can see it, so YouTube can recommend it. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you will be reminded whenever we post another interesting video. Cheers, guys.